My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm super excited for. It is going to be an unboxing of my very first BoxyLuxe. Oh my gosh, this is like super heavy. I was trying to take the thumbnail picture and I'm like dying. My cat was outside in the rain, and so I opened the door to let him in, and it was just there. I was like, oh, okay, we're gonna do an unboxing then. So if you would like to see what is in this BoxyLuxe box for June, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I will have a question of the day at the end. So if you would like to hear that and answer it, please do so and leave your answer in the comments below. Alright, let's get into this unboxing. So I don't like to look at spoilers or anything, but I was on Instagram and I saw the like regular BoxyCharm. There was a picture. I was like, no! Can I unsee it? So I have an idea of some of the things that are in here, but I did not see like everything that was in the BoxyLuxe. So, but I'm still really excited. All right, like, I don't even want to, all right, let's get into it. So here is the little insert. Oh my gosh, what? All right, so the first product is this Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush Cheek Palette. So this retails for $45. Wow. All right, let me open this bad boy up. Oh, that's super cute how it like opens in the middle. This is very nice. It's like very like heavy and like feels very expensive. It's magnetized, which is why I can't keep it open. What? Hold on. Wow. That is super pretty. It looks like a highlighter and a bronzer at the top, and then the rest are blushes. I love Tarte blushes. Okay, so here are the swatches. This is awesome. This would be great to like travel with. You got a highlighter, bronzer, and multiple different blushes. We got like a pink, a coral, like a shimmery mauve, a rose. Like, this is awesome. The next product is this Touch in Soul No Problem Prime Essence. Ooh, I really like the No Problem primer. What is the difference? Okay, this retails for $23. Okay. Ooh, here's what it looks like. I'm super excited to try that. This little screw-on cap. Ooh, look at. Hello. Oh, wow. I was expecting it to be like a lot thicker. You can see it's kind of like, it's like a lot thinner. The No Problem is like a silicone-based primer. Yeah. Ooh, this is like definitely like very lightweight, but it's very hydrating. It has like a light scent, kind of like a little bit florally, just kind of a fresh scent. Ooh, I'm excited to try that. Okay, the next product is this Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. Okay, this retails for $17, and this is in strawberry lemonade. Ooh, I actually am drinking some strawberry lemonade. It's mixed with vodka, but that's not important. Ooh, I really like this packaging. Like this pale pink, very sleek. I was expecting it to smell like lemonade, but it smells like frosting. Mmm. Kind of sticky. but as opposed to like creamy, but that's okay. Moving right along. Hold up. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm like, where is it? It's in this bag. Oh my gosh. So it is a PYT. Pretty young thing. What? Mini Turbo on the go dryer. Oh my gosh. I was just actually like looking for a new hair dryer too. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love this color. It matches my eyeshadow. Oh, it even has like the attachments. Oh, I am freaking out right now. This is so adorable and so perfect. Like because I'm going on a trip and cruises ain't got no blow dryers in their bathrooms. You're lucky if you can freaking sit on the toilet in those bathrooms. So I am so excited to get this. And it comes with a nice little bag to keep it in. Oh my god. So this retails for $85. All right, so moving right along, the next product is this Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. What? Powered by a biotic balancing complex, this prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Oh my gosh, this retails for $35. I love Dr. Brandt skincare. I just think it's an awesome like quality skincare brand. All right. Okay, all right. I have been wanting this product since it first came out, since I saw it on the Sephora website. It was love at first sight. It is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. Oh, retail value $58. This Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Oh, you guys know I love my Pharmacy balm. Ooh, okay. Ooh, it's very creamy. I was expecting it to be like a thinner consistency because it's a serum, but oh my gosh, super like kind of like almost a milky texture actually, and very hydrating. It has a scent. It's not the best scent, but I'm convinced the worse a product smells, the better it is for your skin. Alright, the next product, I'm just like, I'm in shock right now with this box. This Living Proof Full Thickening Cream. This lightweight styling cream adds thickness with a hint of conditioning for natural fullness. This retails for $28. I love Living Proof. I have so many of their products. It is one of my favorite hair care brands, and this is just like the perfect product for me. My hair is very fine and thinning and dry, damaged, so I need the moisture and the thickening. That is perfect. All right, the next product is, what the fuck is this? Okay, it is this Tracique Good Vibes mascara. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new Tracique Good Vibes mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool and lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. Oh, really? This retails for $25. Okay, it's got instructions. Hold up. How to use. Pull off clear cap to access half curler. Press down. Okay. Oh, that's kind of neat. My only concern is whose eyelash is going to fit in that? I mean, like you would have to do it in sections. I mean, it's a nice concept. I don't know how well that will work, but this is like the biggest mascara one I've ever... Oh, I like that one though. Okay. Alright, I see you. And the last product is... Ooh! This Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. Ooh. This retails for $35. Oh my gosh. I have used Skin & Co. before. I want to say maybe a lotion or something, but this is... I'm very intrigued by it. It smells like... Hold on, let me see if it says what it smells like. Peppermint. I'm like, I know I recognize what's in it. So, it's enriched with soothing and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and Damascena rose. Ooh. Hello. Holy shit, guys. I just had to double check the price of this because I didn't believe, I was like, I had to have paid more than $50 for this. But no, it's $49.99. And let's see what the retail value is. When I signed up for it, it said that it would have like a retail value of over $300. I definitely think it does, but let's see exactly how much all these products retail for. The total retail value of this box is $351. I don't know, I don't want to break anything. I wish I had a mic. Like, what? Oh my god. I don't even think I can process this right now. I am so excited for everything, like honestly. Let me know what you guys think. Like, do you think this is worth the extra $28? I definitely think it is. And yeah, I'm just blown away. Alright, so my question for the day. Pick 2 out of physical chemistry, lifestyle compatibility, emotional compatibility, and intellectual compatibility. So, for me, the 2 most important out of those would be intellectual compatibility and emotional compatibility. Let me know your answer down in the comments below. Let me do one more just real quick in case you're not feeling that question. Out of the positive emotions of compassion, positivity, enthusiasm, and initiative, which one is your biggest strength? Definitely not enthusiasm. I'm tired all the time. Not positivity. I try to be positive. The key word there is try. It's a struggle. So, I mean, I know it's compassion. Initiative is definitely a close second though. But yeah, my biggest strength would definitely be compassion. Alright, let me know your answer down below in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed unboxing it. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.